Hey guys, it is Monday morning again. We're gonna clean up the shop a little bit. It is filthy. Never have time to clean it, so today I'm gonna give it a good cleaning and pressure wash the floors. This way, start this week off with a clean shop, clean slate, and see where we can go from there. Keep watching. All right, guys, it's Tuesday. Let's get a few things done today. We are going to this up. As soon as the mufflers come, we were able to take care of those. I just cleaned all the mats on the Red Thunderbird. I'm going to put a little bit of Armor All on them, let them shine a little better. And then it's back on this puppy, trying to get the power steering stuff to fit. We'll see what happens. Okay, it's the end of the day. She's all done. We got the rear end done. The oil change. The only thing we're waiting on is the mufflers to come in so we can change the mufflers. Looking good, guys. Like and subscribe. We will talk to you later.